Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. If you're new here, welcome. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. What are you waiting on? We have so much fun over here. If you're returning, thank you for the continuous support. I am so super excited about this unboxing. I've been following this brand for a while, so I'm excited to pick up two of his pieces, which are like very popular. So without any further ado, if you guys like videos like this, let's continue watching. Anyway guys, so let's get the first one open. Oh my god, super exciting. So guys, so let's get the box out. Okay, so this is the very first one. Yes, it's by Blackwood. Okay, so this is the first box. Let's get the second box on open. And then once we get it on open, I'm gonna give you guys the details of this bags. Okay, so let's get this on open. Yay! All right, guys. So as I stated, these are my Blackwood. One item I pre-ordered a couple of months back, so it just came. The other one I got it when he had a private sale, which was like 50% off and stuff like that. So I was like, why not? So let's see which one is which, okay? And I love the little personalization. And then it looked like it's a card or something. Let's see. Is it a card? Am I opening correctly? Let's see. Just messed up the whole card, right? Oh, it's a card. Oh, this is nice. They say thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece, and can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon Blackwood. Oh, that's really nice. I love that personalization. I think this one is the pre-order. Oh my, oh my God. Okay. Oh, first of all, before we get to that, I love this dust bag. Yes, amazingly made. This dust bag feels really good. It's like canvas with its print on it. This is beautiful. Oh my God, guys. I can smell the leather. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this brief. Look at the detail. I don't even know how to describe. The leather feels so nice and smooth. Oh my God. This, yeah, it was worth the pre-order. So this is the one that I actually pre-ordered. And like I said, I pre-ordered it a couple of months back. I even forgot that I pre-ordered until I got a notification that it has shipped. I was like, what did I order again? And it was this beauty right here. How do I even open this bag, guys? I don't want to break my new bag. Alrighty. So, oh, this bag is, guys, I wish you could smell this bag. This bag smells so good. All right, so we got the hook right here. I love, guys, look at this. Look at the detail. Look at this. I am in love with this bag. All right, so let's put this beauty down right here. And let's open the second bag. Or the second box. So, this item, my card came mixed up, but it is what it is. All right, so this second item is the one that I picked up during the sale. Okay, guys? Oh, let's see. Hopefully the bag is not messed up. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the detail. Look at the gold. It has feet on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Look, let's appreciate these bags for a minute. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is beautiful made. Guys, and the leather, it smells so good. Just checking if there's any blemishes, anything. I don't see anything, guys. Oh my God, look at how this turned. Oh, yes. Oh, and it got a strap in here. Oh my goodness. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Look at this, guys. Look at amazing made. And if you guys are not aware, Brandon Blackwood is a black owned designer that's based in New York. This bag, actually, I've been eyeing it since I saw it on the YouTube channel. Her channel is Fashion and Politics, or Politics and Fashion, one of those two. I'll put the correct name below. But I saw she did a review. Well, she did like her bag collection, and this bag was there. And from that day, I fell in love with this bag. I've been eyeing this bag. So when he had a 50% off sale, I was like, oh, I'm grabbing that bag. So I grabbed this bag for 50% off. But this bag is so beautiful. Look at the detail. Look at the little bamboo kind of thing with his name on it with gold. Guys, anyway, I just wanted to get this video up and going. So these are my two beauties. Oh my God, look at this, guys. I love this little suitcase looking. I love these two bags, guys. Honestly, I was a little bit, I wasn't sure, but everybody has been talking about how high quality his stuff are. So I was like, let me give it a shot. I do have other black owned designer brand. So if you guys want me to do a video on all of my black owned designer bags that I do have, luxury designer bags, well-made designer bags, leave it in the comments below and I would definitely get that video out to you guys. But guys, I am beyond amazed at the quality and the smell of the leather on these two bags. They are amazing. Oh, and just the FYI, when he comes out with this bag, it's always sold out. So if you have the opportunity to grab that bag, I will tell you grab the bag because it's always sold out. Okay, let me see if I can find the name of both bags so I can give it to you guys. So this one is known as the Kendrick trunk, and the color that I picked it in is hot pink. And then let me see if I can see if they have like a product code or anything like that that I can give you style code. So if you guys want to order it, uh, it doesn't really have a style code, but it is called the Kendrick trunk in hot pink leather. Okay, so if you guys want to order it, you can go on his website and order it. That's the Kendrick one. And then this other bag right here. So this is known as the Bowen SB, and it's in the aqua blue with gold hardware. Okay, so aqua blue, gold hardware, Kendrick Clark, hot pink with the gold hardware. Okay, so if you guys want to shop those are the name of the two bags. Okay, anyway guys, so this was just a quick unboxing. If you guys like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification because I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. So anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.